folks, welcome back. So I've just returned for the allotment with a decent harvest of sweet corn. So I'm just going to show you how I freeze it. First of all, get a big pot of water, get it on ready to go up to the boil. Then prepare an ice bath once the sweet corn's boiled or blanched. So what I do is I just use plastic containers, just a nice big chunk of ice. Stick them into the sink. Yep. Just have that ready to plunge the sweet corn in once you've blanched it. So you blanch it for 5 minutes in boiling water. Then the ice bath is to stop it for cooking. So you just put it in there until it's absolutely cold. So that halts the cooking process. Then you put it into freezer bags, but I'll show you that step as we get to it. So firstly, we'll fill this up with water in preparation. So when the water's starting to boil, start putting your sweet corn in there. This is sort of the biggest pot I've got. So I don't know how much I'm going to get in. I'll put the wee ones in first. Probably better if I cut the ends off these ones. Easier to get in. That's much better. And where the corn's not formed, I cut them off as well. So just let that go up to boiling again. So once your corn's been blanched, so 5 minutes, carefully remove it. See how nice colour that's went. So carefully remove it and put it into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then you get your next batch in. Same process again. Let that go for 5 minutes. If you leave it in the ice bath to totally cool down. This is very important because having it in the boiling water obviously starts cooking it, but you don't want it to continue cooking, so you've got to cool it down pretty quick. So while that last batch is cooking, prepare your freezer bags. That's where you're going to put it in. That seems okay. So you just got a sharp knife and strip off the corn. Don't worry about having some of the white bits in there, they're perfectly fine. Seal it most of the way, then fold it over just to get the air out. And also it makes it maybe a compact size. sure not get air in it. Still a wee bit in there. So try and get all that air out. Make sure your bag's sealed. Pop it in the freezer. As I said, that'll be good to go for at least a year. Anyway, thanks for watching folks. See you all soon. Bye.